We ask everyone who is a South African who feels South Africa must change and be a South Africa that we are proud of. And we are therefore asking and requesting everyone, whatever amount you could put into this effort, it would be highly appreciated. It will also take us further to the stop we want to arrest, we want to get into. We wish everyone will appreciate what we're saying and what we're doing, particularly because we want to utilize the finances that come from the people. We have no intention of getting any wrong money, as it appears this has become some practice somehow. We want genuine contributions to be made to this genuine political party, Mkhonto Wesizwe Party. Thank you very much for listening to me just for a few minutes. We are together. We must reach the destination together. Thank you very much.